Welcome to the fantastic show where entertainment meets business and fun fuels innovation. I'm your host Ruchi, the founder of Happy Biz, empowering fearless women entrepreneurs. Today we are joined by two powerhouse women who will bring their energy to the room. First, meet Mrs. Tanvi Rathore, who has won the title of Mrs. Universe Generosity and has also won several beauty pageants. She is also an influencer, classical dancer, and a personality trainer. And next to her is the very fabulous Happy Biz member Payal Sureka, the brain and the designer behind the fashion brand Payal Sureka. Her designs are pure magic. You know the feeling when you just look at something and you think, I need that? Yes, Payal's designs will make you feel that we have just walked into a fashion dream. Not just clothes, she's creating vibes.
Yes. Unbeatable in what sense? I don't know, but my smile is. Oh, I don't want to reveal.
Who am I?
The princess.
Madhuri Dixit.
Go on, quick!
No, we did not put any effort.
सॉन्ग याद नहीं आ रहा ना उसका नाम बोल दो.
Well, I think Ruchi, you have been doing wonderful. You have taken amazing initiative. Basically,
So I'm so excited to have two powerhouse women in the room who are going to uplift the energy in the room. With me today, we have Mrs. Tanvi Rathore.
thank you very much.
Thank you for taking out your time and being on the show.
Pleasure is all mine.
And with me, I have today Happy Biz member and a very beautiful friend of mine, Mrs. Payal Sureka.
Thank you, Ruchi, for this great initiative.
Thank you, Payal, for coming on the show. So, Tanvi, we'll start with you today. And we are very much intrigued to know a lot about you as a person, as a personality. So, we have heard you say that dreams have no bars. So, tell us what really pushed you to step into the Mrs. Universe pageant.
बहुत सारे लोगों के वो चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम होते हैं कि मुझे वहां जाना है. तो 94 में जब ऐश्वर्या राय जीती थी, छोटे से टीवी पे घर पे देखा था कि यार क्या ब्यूटी पेजेंट. आई वांटेड टू गो देयर. फिर थोड़ी एज हुई और पता चला कि यार आई डोंट हैव दैट हाइट टू गेट इनटू ब्यूटी पेजेंट, बिकॉज तभी वो स्टैंडर्ड्स था कि यू हैव टू बी 5'6" प्लस. तो वो हाइट तो थी नहीं, तो वहाँ ड्रीम खत्म हो गया. बट पोस्ट मैरिज आई थिंक आई सॉ दिस एडवर्टीजमेंट समवेयर ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड दैट वाज अबाउट मिसेस इंडिया कैटेगरी एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ वाओ. एंड देन आई वेंट टू द what are the terms and conditions and everything, and I realized there is no height bar, no age bar, no nothing of that sort. And then it all started.
Beautiful. So, kahin na kahin aapne ye prove kiya, breaking the boundaries, breaking the barriers of body image somewhere. Very interesting. Now we know that you train people for beauty pageants.
Ji.
Right? So tell me, what is the one thing every contestant has to know? And please don't tell me it is just smile and wave. Beyond that, what is Tanvi's advice to the upcoming contestants?
Well, I believe in beauty pageant, it is all about portraying your personality to others, but polishing the skills you already possess and just coming up on the stage confidently.
So it's more about knowing better yourself.
Yes, it is never about outer beauty. It is never about waving and smile. Yes, people smile in beauty pageants, but it is more than that. It is with the purpose.
Very well said. Beautiful. Tanvi, we know that you're actively raising awareness for breast cancer, and you're also helping out women who are facing domestic violence, So basically, you are a beauty queen as a superhero who's wearing a cape. So tell me a little bit about how do you juggle it all?
Well, I'm blessed with the family first, like very, very supportive family I have. My mother-in-law is like super supportive, more than my husband, my own parents. So I think I'm blessed with the family because of which I'm able to do or maintain so many roles at the same time. I teach at college, at university. I take personal grooming classes. I am into content creation. I'm into personality development training, and so on and on and on. I'm a classical dancer, so I perform. So it keeps going on, but only because of the family support, I think I'm able to.
The joint effort of the family, you are saying, the credit goes to family. So nowadays there's a trend of having nuclear family. So what would you
Nuclear
have to
family.
say?
Nuclear family does not. I would love to have that my own space. I'll be honest with that. But जहाँ joint family की बात आती है, I think बच्चे भी इतने अच्छे से raise हो जाते हैं. सब कुछ आपके लिए बहुत easy going हो जाता है जब आपकी family आपको support करती है और आप family को support करते हैं.
Okay, interesting. Give one tip to the viewers how to bring that work-life balance.
वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कैसे लाए मेरे हिसाब से मैं ये करती हूँ कि बहुत फोकस्ड रहती हूँ एंड आई नो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू एट व्हाट टाइम आई मेंटेन द जर्नल एंड दैट इज हाउ आई एम एबल टू deliver what is.
Great. So I think you are very well to do in prioritizing the things and creating the to-do list, right? So that makes your entire day well scheduled and well planned. Very interesting to know so much about Tanvi. Thank you. When did you decide, hey, I am going to make people look fabulous? वो दिन कब आया? आपने कैसे शुरुआत की that you started into the professional journey of being a fashion designer?
Ruchi, it's all about creating pieces that makes a woman look empowered and stylish. I always have been drawn to the idea of self-expression through fashion. I have started designing out of passion, but once I saw how my pieces makes a woman unstoppable, that's when I have decided to do this for the things.
Okay, so yes, well said that beauty is through your appearance. Also, your appearance matters a lot. And especially the clothes which you are wearing, it shows your personality. Well said, Payal. Tell us a little bit about, we need to know the inside scoop, right? That what is the magic behind your brand?
It's, I would say, it's my ability to blend traditional craftsmanship with modern aesthetics.
Okay.
I always love to work with artisans and believe that I create experiences.
So, Payal, tell me, like, what exactly is Payal Sureka's personal style? You being a fashion designer, आपकी खुद की क्या personal style है?
मुझे है ना सिंपल लुक में नहीं पसंद आता है जनरली कि साड़ीज ऐसे ही नॉर्मल ब्लाउजेस के साथ में पहन लिया या अनारकली जस्ट टेक इट विद दुपट्टा. मैं हमेशा ट्राई करती हूँ कि आई यूज टू प्ले विद लेयरिंग एक्चुअली कि साड़ीज के साथ में भी जैकेट्स पैर अप करती हूँ. अनारकलीज के साथ में दुपट्टा को कुछ इस तरीके से ड्रेप करती हूँ कि उसका डिफरेंट लुक आ जाए वैसे. और एसेसरीज तो जैसे मस्ट है. आई लव टू एसेसराइज also. That is my styling.
And today we can see the stylish blouse which you are wearing with all those ruffles and the
Very vibrant.
Very vibrant, I would say. It's really uplifting the energy.
Thank you.
And especially Tanvi, you would like to add, like, since you are also into grooming and personality development, how important you think is showcasing your best as into your first impressions?
That is most important, I believe, because लोग आपको जज ही इसी से करते हैं. उसके बाद में आपसे किस तरह से बात करेंगे वो डिसाइड करते हैं. वो माइंड यहाँ होता है.
So the visual impact should be very powerful. So what is your personal style, Tanvi?
Keep it subtle.
Okay, keep it subtle. Coming back to Payal, let's be real here. There's a whole ocean of designers out there. What makes you the tuna fish in the sea of goldfish? What is your edge?
एक्चुअली मुझे वही है कि सभी क्लाइंट्स को मैं वो ट्राई करती हूँ कि उनको कुछ अलग डिफरेंट लुक दे सकूँ रादर दैन जैसा बाहर सबके पास में रेडी में मिलता है. आई ट्राई टू गिव देम डिफरेंट लुक. दैट इज my forte actually.
So basically you try to understand your client's personality.
Because कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि काफ़ी सारे ये डिज़ाइंस आते हैं मार्केट में, बट इट्स नॉट कंपल्शन के सभी पे सूट हो.
बॉडी टाइप के
Yeah.
हिसाब से.
By the way, today I am also wearing payal. So,
Wow. Amazing.
Thank you.
so what are the criteria? Give me 3 quick criterias of, when you are designing your client's clothes.
So I think about creativity, obviously, and the quality of the fabric
Okay.
and the detailing. I always focus on the detailing. Just as a fabric like stitch kar diya, that is not my style.
Wonderful. So here we wrap up our very first round of knowing our very special guests, Tanvi and Payal, today.
Thank you.
So here comes the very entertaining round, which is the rapid fire round. And today our guests are going to give a very quick, witty replies to the questions which I'm going to throw onto them. So Tanvi and Payal, are you ready?
Yes.
Super excited.
So first I'm going along with Tanvi. Here are your rapid fire questions and I am looking forward to have some quick replies from you.
I'll try to.
Okay. So what is the one thing that makes you feel unbeatable?
The smile.
Ah,
Aw.
give a big smile then. And especially,
Unbeatable in what sense? I don't know, but my smile is.
definitely. And you're a pageant winner. Can we have that smile and a wave? One thing men need to know about women.
हमारा दिमाग emotions में होता है.
हमारा दिमाग emotions में होता है. Well said. What's your most useless talent? We all have one. Don't even try to act perfect at all. So tell me your most useless talent.
I would say रोटी बनाना मत सीखो. क्योंकि वो आता है तो बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है. True.
So it's better to say I don't know how to make round rotis.
If you make good food, everybody will say अच्छा खाना बना दिया, अच्छा खाना बना
Yes,
दिया.
yes,
चलो
that
बनाओ.
is true.
So you keep cooking.
Wow, that was really, really funny. So moving ahead, Tanvi, I would like to know 3 things no one knows about you.
Oh, I don't want to reveal those.
Come on, you have to spill the beans.
नहीं अगर किसी को नहीं बताना तो अभी क्यों बताना है?
Share some of your secrets. We would like to know 3 things which nobody knows about you.
मैं बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती हूँ.
Okay.
मुझे गुस्सा बहुत आता है जो मैं दिखाती नहीं हूँ. और
That's good, लेकिन दिखाते नहीं हो.
हाँ, over the time because of those trainings during pageants, I think I've learned that mastered the art of controlling anger. तो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है और जब मुझे गुस्सा आता है मैं चुप रहती हूँ. तो ये सीक्रेट है. लोगों को
जब
लगता है
चुप रहेंगे तब समझ जाने का कि she is
Yes.
angry mode.
My viewers, these are the 3 main secrets of Tanvi. Nobody knows, but now we all know. So what's your go-to self-care routine when the world is acting extra?
सो जाओ.
Well said. A good sleep.
A good sleep, sound sleep without family, without kids around.
Okay, quickly. Mascara for a life or a lifetime supply of pizza?
None.
None?
None.
Choose wisely.
None.
Okay. So here we wrap up with Tanvi. Tanvi, you tried very well. You played so well with your rapid fire round. We had some great laughter during the round. So, okay, Payal, now it is your turn to play the rapid fire round. So, are you excited?
Yes.
So, here comes my first question to you. Who is your ultimate fashion icon?
I think Sonam Kapoor. She carries the outfits with
True.
grace.
Okay, interesting. Sonam Kapoor. What's your favorite fabric to work with and why?
Silk and pleated silk, as it is always luxurious and elegant, gives elegant look.
Yeah, it's very elite also.
Yeah.
Describe your design process to the world. How do you design the costumes?
First, I see the quality, then creativity, and lastly, detailing.
Okay, interesting. If you could collab with any brand, who would it be? We need something like Payal, I want you to dream big.
Yes, actually, I would love to work with Pooja Keyur and Ridhima Kapoor.
Oh,
That would be my dream.
wow, Ridhima Kapoor. So, what's your go-to color palette?
I always love pastels and monochrome combinations with a light shimmery effect.
Okay, let's say pastels are in, especially in summers. Looks wonderful. What is the one piece you have ever created that made you feel, oh my god, I am a genius?
Unfair to decide, as all the outfits which I have created for my clients, makes me feel like a genius.
Okay. Wonderful rapid fire round you both tried today.
We have also enjoyed very much.
Fantastic efforts.
No, we did not put any efforts.
All right, ladies, enough of questions now. You performed so well, both of you in the rapid fire round. Now it is the time to become a little competitive. So are you ready?
Yes.
The fantastic game show is now moving ahead onto the round 3. And the round 3 is Who Am I? So
The princess. The princess.
Okay, the princess. Yes, definitely.
So, khatam, game khatam.
No, still we are going ahead with the game. So today we are going to play this game, Who Am I? Payal, you are going to wear an image. I'm going to give you some cues from very famous Bollywood characters, okay? Depicting their outfit. Since you are a fashion designer, so you are be holding this cue card towards Tanvi, but you're not going to see the image on the cue card. Tanvi, you have to enact that Bollywood character, and Payal has to recognize that specific costume which became a trend in the Bollywood. Here comes my first cue card, which I'm going to give to Payal.
Okay.
But you don't have to see it, okay?
Okay.
Show it to the camera also.
Mumtaz? Yay!
That was fast.
Well, very well. Show it to the camera first.
Deepika Padukone.
I'm going to give you a second guess now.
Okay. काला तिल था.
Tanvi, you can enact some famous song or something.
माधुरी दीक्षित.
Go on, quick.
क्लासिकल डांसर है वो तो समझ आई. बहुत ओल्ड है ना हीरोइन.
You can also enact her name, like tell her the name, the way we play Dumb Charades. Come on, Payal.
लकीरें.
क्या बोलते हैं लकीरों को? Come on, नाम सोचो.
Oh no. लाइन नहीं.
अरे लाइन कौन सा नाम हुआ हीरोइन का? खाना. Come on. हाँ.
Oh नहीं यार.
Once again, come on, try.
Didn't get
Okay,
it.
here we put an end to this. Tanvi, would you like to reveal the name? हाँ देखो. रेखा.
Very yeah. पान खाए. पान. उमराव जान. नहीं टॉल है ना. टॉल है. ओके.
मेल है.
मेल है.
You don't have to speak.
अमिताभ बच्चन.
हाँ पर आउटफिट बताओ.
आउटफिट शर्ट विथ स्कार्फ और ऊपर वेस्ट पहनी हुई है.
बट क्या ट्रेंड में आया था?
बेल बॉटम.
Yes, very well played.
माधुरी दीक्षित. चने के खेत में.
हाँ but the costume you have to tell.
गुलेल.
हाँ कौन सा गाना था वो कौन सा कॉस्ट्यूम था माधुरी का जिसमें गुलेल यूज हुआ?
ग्रीन कलर का आउटफिट पहना था.
हाँ but उसी मूवी का था. You're correct.
ब्लू कलर की साड़ी पहनी थी उससे.
Very good. So well played, Payal and Tanvi. You were excellent in showcasing various gestures and actions and moves of those famous Bollywood characters. Now, Tanvi, it is your turn. You are going to showcase certain cue cards of.
I'm gonna win.
Actually, I'm thinking कि मैं एक्टिंग कैसे करूंगी.
आज हम सिखाएंगे आप.
So अब तन्वी आपको मैं कुछ क्यू कार्ड्स दूंगी जो कि बॉलीवुड में पैजेंट विन कर चुके हैं.
Okay.
You are going to showcase those cue card to Payal and Payal आपको enact करना है कुछ उनके signature moves या कुछ उनकी signature style जहां से तन्वी पहचानेंगी उस pageant winner को. So are you both ready?
Yes, we'll try.
Excited?
Surely. Okay.
Come on, जल्दी करना है.
सॉन्ग याद नहीं आ रहा ना उसका. नाम बोल दूं?
चलो चलो जल्दी. गाना नहीं है. You don't have to speak. Just act.
गाना भी ऐसे गाया जो कभी सुना नहीं है. पुरानी हीरोइन है, नई है.
मीडियम मिडिल में. Not
Not
old,
ज़्यादा.
not so new.
हाँ.
Okay.
सुंदर है.
Yes.
पेजेंट वाली है.
She's won the pageant in the past.
गांव में छोटे बड़े बच्चे.
वो बच्चों की मूवी है.
Can you split the name? Can you split the name of the heroine?
एक
बोलना
जो
नहीं है, बोलना नहीं.
जूही चावला.
yes,
Very
very
famous?
famous.
ओके.
वही.
अरे उसका क्या फेमस है? फेशियल फीचर कौन सा बहुत फेमस है?
आंखें बहुत सुंदर है. ऐश्वर्या.
यहाँ पे पायल मैंने आपकी हेल्प की.
एक्चुअली में. ओके.
नाम बता रहे.
यस.
कितना लेटर्स है उसके नाम में?
You don't have to speak पायल.
3 लेटर्स हिंदी में.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And
पहला लेटर.
yes. Sorry.
पुश पिंक.
Start with.
ओके. पिंक कलर स्टार्ट विद पी.
Yes.
पी से स्टार्ट.
कुछ ही तो
Pieces
पेजेंट
start.
बन गए हैं.
Start with. यानी वही.
मिस वर्ल्ड मिस यूनिवर्स क्या जीती है?
She cannot speak.
Yeah.
मिस यूनिवर्स.
Yes.
मिस यूनिवर्स. पी से. टेल मी मोर.
Tell the second letter.
Second letter. Okay.
फिर सामने बैठी है.
सामने.
पी से नाम बोलते रहूं मैं.
हाँ ऐसा करो ना.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
Yes. I told you ना I'm not good
Good
in
guess,
acting.
Sunny. Very good guess.
दिखा दो कुछ तो.
हाँ देखना नहीं है भाई. तन्वी, are you ready? Fingers crossed.
एक्टिंग कर लो.
Actually टास्क मेरे लिए एक्टिंग करने का.
चलो जल्दी से करो.
जल्दी.
बताओ. You can showcase some signature move, or you can also tell her the name.
वही है. नेम ही बताती हूँ. Yes.
बहुत टॉल है.
Yes.
बहुत फेमस है.
Yes.
हैज टू बी सुष्मिता सेन.
Yeah, obviously.
आपको कुछ करना ही नहीं है.
So finally, we had a lot of fun, entertainment, and laughter today in today's episode. Before we wrap up today's episode, my sincere gratitude and thanks to both of you for taking out time and being here in today's show.
Pleasure.
Our
it's all
pleasure.
mine. Well, I think Ruchi, you have been doing wonderful. You have taken amazing initiative. Basically, I believe my pure mantra of living as a woman is one should be financially independent, and
Yes.
women like you giving such community, such platform to women entrepreneurs to come up with their ideas and do things in the market is incredible. I mean, kudos to you.
Thank you.
And one thing that as a content creator, as an influencer, I'm working nowadays. So I believe for branding, utilize their authenticity to come up with their ideas and just approach to right kind of people and be visible always in the market, and you will be able to do wonders.
And this is what exactly Happy Biz also believes in, that providing different activities, thinking out of the box ideas so that our members can have maximum visibility and they can showcase their brands and their businesses.
It's an incredible
Actually,
platform
yeah.
you are providing to the women. Really kudos to you.
Well said, Tanvi. Thank you so much. And Payal, thank you for having you.
Thank you, Ruchi. Every time putting so much efforts for our promotion. Actually, मैं आपके Happy Biz group में स्टार्टिंग
आप तो
से
शायद
हूँ।
शुरू से ही
Yeah,
आप एक
मैं तो
member
शुरू
हो,
से ही
जुड़े हुए
हूँ।
हो।
सो एवरी टाइम आई यूज टू सी कि आप किस तरीके से वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को हेल्प करते रहते हैं कोई ना कोई तरीके से कुछ न्यू आइडियाज लाके, सो दैट दे गेट विजिबिलिटी थ्रू देयर प्रमोशन। जैसे पहले आपने रेड एफएम का किया था, अभी आप ये शो लाए हो।
और it's been so many years you are doing that, so really incredible.
And
I
I
wish मेरे time पे ऐसा, although now I have your back.
But we
Yeah.
have like such influential guests on the show who, you know, you are always on a learning curve. I always believe a person always progress if you are in a learning curve, and having such kind of influential personality sitting over here is always so much learning to have you.
I would really recommend all the women entrepreneurs to join your platform of Happy Biz.
Okay.
+1.
So thank you. We had a great time together. This is the wrap up for the fantastic show, which is Laughter, Lead, and Inspire. And that wraps up an inspiring episode of our show today. A big congratulations to Tanvi for not only winning the pageant, but also for embodying the beauty and purpose. And thank you, Payal, for sharing your incredible insights into the world of fashion and design. Until next time, stay confident, stay stylish, and keep dreaming big.